Hello my dear ones, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I Pawan Chaudhary, your math teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Okay, so here we are in chapter number 3rd, that is operation on large numbers. Okay, in this chapter just discussing the exercise, that is exercise number 3.4. In this exercise I have given some work. I hope you completed the divisions. Now in this lecture we are going to start the question number second. So are you ready for that? Okay, now see the question number second. A crowd of a crowd of 23,214 people visited the cricket stadium to watch a match. If there are 53 stands in the stadium, how many stands? 53 stand in the stadium. How many people were there in each stand? Now see, first what you have to do, your task is that you have to read the question and understand it. Okay, now a crowd of how many people? 23,214 people visited the cricket stadium to watch a match. Okay, if there are 53 stands in the stadium, how many people were there in each stand? So first the question asked about 53 stands and we have to find were stand in each stand. 53 stands given and it asks about one stand. So what you have to do, your answer is less than that or greater than that? Obviously less than that. So for less, what you have to do, you have to divide. Okay, you have to divide it. Now see the solution. People in 53 stands equals to 23,214. Now people in one stand equals to 23,214 divided by 53. So simply what you have to do, you have to divide 53 divided by 23,214. This division you have to do by yourself. Whatever answer, whatever the question you got, that is your answer and you have to write down here. Okay. Now see first question I have solved for you. 53 and 232, that means 53 divided by 4. 4 3 is 12, carry 1. 4 5 is 20 plus 1, 21. How many times? 4 times. What is the result? 212. Now see here, subtraction you have to do here. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1 2 and 1 time. Now 53 multiply 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15. 3 times, that is 159. Again you have to perform the subtraction here. Okay, 9 can't be subtracted from 1, so you have to borrow 110. So here it become 1 and here it become 9 and here become 11. Now subtract 11 minus 9, 2, 9 minus 5, 4. You have to write down 4 here also. 53 multiply by 5. 8 times you have to multiply. 8 3 ja 24, 4 carry 2, 8 5 ja 40 plus 2, 42, that is 8 times 424. 0 is the remainder. Okay, now what's the result? That is 432. 438 people can stay in each stand. Okay, how many people were there in each stand? There are 438 people in each stand. This is your conclusion. Like this you have to solve the question. Now see the next one, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. See the 3rd question. The product of two numbers is 83,524. If one of the number is 157, then find the other. Very important question. See what you have to do in such type of questions. See, the product of two numbers means if you multiply two numbers, what's the result you got? This result, 83,524. If one number is given, you have to find the other number. Solution: let the other number be x. You don't know the number, so you assume that number is x. Okay, that is variable. Okay, then according to the question, see here, the product of two numbers, one number is given, that is 157, and another number is x, that you have to assume x equals to, what's the result? 83,524, and you have to find the value of x. So you write down x here, 83524. Here 157, what is the relation of 157 and x? Their relation is a product. So when we transfer 157 from LHS to RHS, then this is in the form of divide. Okay, multiplication is turned into the division. So here you have to divide 157 by 83,524. Whatever result you got here in the question, that is your answer. That is the value of the other number. Okay, so this division you have to do by yourself. Okay, this is in your homework. Now see the next question. That is question number 4. Question number 4. How many books of 227 pages each can be printed using 39,271 sheets of paper. Sheets of paper. Now see the solution. How many books of 227 pages each can be printed using these sheets of paper? Okay. Now, how many books of 227 pages? Okay, one book is of how many pages? 227 pages. Each can be printed using sheets of paper. How many sheets are there? This. Okay, and how one book is of how many pages? 227 pages. Okay, now see here, whatever you have to do, what you have to do, you have to divide in it, because you have to find the number of books. Okay, number of books. So number of pages in each book equals to 227. Okay, and number of sheets equals to 39,271. Okay, so number of books equals to number of books, you have to find number of books equals to 39,271 divided by 227. Okay, number of pages in each book number of pages are 227 and number of sheets are this. Okay, the number of books we have to find. So how you have to find? By dividing this number by 227. So simply what you have to do, you have to divide 227 by 39,271. Okay, so whatever the quotient you got here, that is your the answer. The number of books are there. Okay, next question number 5, 5th and 6th of this exercise that we will discuss in our next lecture. I hope you understand this these questions that we have discussed today. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.